Do you have self-worth issues, confidence issues? Do you have relationship issues? Do you know 90% of relationship issues between partners are actually rooted into your relationship with your parent, coming from your childhood. So we need to look into the childhood. Every child is actually born with beautiful qualities like wonderment, joy, creativity, love, trust. But along the way, many times we lose certain of these qualities. How does this happen? Why does this happen? We are all born into families and in societies where we are compared. Your self-worth is equated to how you look or how you perform in a particular subject, how you do well at certain things. And we start seeing ourselves through the eyes of the parent or the elders who are seeing us. Also, they start comparing you because they have been compared. So they start associating your self-worth to how you look or how you may perform them in school. If you're getting good grades, then you feel like, okay, you're going to get the love. In this way, we start growing up to feel that we are not loved unconditionally and we have to be a particular way to really be loved and to be accepted. This is how we start getting disconnected from our true essence, our true being. How does this heal? How does this correct itself? We are not here to blame anybody. As Marianne Williamson said, the wound is not my fault, but the healing is my responsibility. It is our journey to heal our inner child, to connect with our inner child. And what is it that means? There are so many needs that were unmet. We were not loved unconditionally. We were not accepted for who we are and not just what we do. And the child within is waiting for that. So you need to reach out to this child. You need to connect with that being who is still within us. That unresolved energy is still there within us. And you may have seen this acting out in certain other situations. But this child is waiting for your unconditional love, your acceptance. This healing is something that only I can do. These wounds are caused by also unmet needs. It's only not the acts of commission. It's not only somebody abusing you, somebody talking to you in a very bad manner, hitting you or sexually abusing you that creates wound. Of course, that is big wound. But also there are wounds of omission, meaning many of your needs were not met with. And that usually happens because your parents did not know or their needs were not met with. Our parents have done their best, but now we have to take responsibility for our inner child. It is only you who can now connect to that child within. This is how we nurture our inner child. And nurturing our inner child, this healing our inner child is a very, very important step for really us to also embody and really connect to our own purpose in life. We'll be able to really live our full potential only when we bring those beautiful qualities of wonderment, creativity, joy back to us. Remember, as Jesus said, you will not get entry into the kingdom of heaven unless you become like children. It is only you who can now connect to that child within. We notice sometimes we behave like, this childlike reactivity comes out, and this is the inner child. But those needs unmet, we need to really now connect to that child, love that child and accept that child unconditionally and meet all those needs that could not be met. So he's actually talking about really embracing your own inner child. We do the 2-day workshop where we help us connect to this inner child, start nurturing this inner child. We pay attention to all the stages and what the needs were of those stages. And through processes and meditations, in the 6-day workshop done by Dr. Newton, Dr. Lakshmi, this goes much deeper. The processes, the activities are much deeper, and in the process, you are also getting empowered to help other people to heal their inner child.